So this is the simpler way of wrapping the towels on the bed. That's kind of a newer way maybe, and let's see how can we do that. So we always take the tag off from the towels, and you take one corner like this, and it's more or less like origami, and then you do 1/3 right there, and then you do another 1/3. It matches, and see this line. Now this line has to be on top, so we need to flip it. Be careful, don't let it. Now you start wrapping, but when you're wrapping, because this side, not the open side, but this side is going to be showing on the pictures, so you have to be really careful about this side when you're rolling it. Make sure this is nice and straight. See how this line is showing, and this last notch you can kind of tuck it in like this, and then it will be ready to decorate. But the side which is not with the leaf, that can be like this, and you kind of stack 2 towels on each bed for a couple. It looks more nice.